The Mangoal Front 4K dashcam delivers very sharp, ultra-high-definition front footage paired with clear, rear, full high-definition recording, which is ideal for capturing fine details like license plates and road signs. It is designed to replace the factory sensor cover on late-model Chevrolet Suburban and Tahoe vehicles, giving an original equipment-style appearance with no dangling wires or suction cups on the windshield. Once installed, the camera stays neatly tucked behind the rearview mirror, so it does not block the driver's view and looks like it came with the vehicle from the factory. Built-in wireless connectivity and a companion application let you review clips, adjust settings, and download important videos to your phone or computer without removing the memory card. The combination of continuous loop recording and an impact detection sensor means everyday driving is recorded automatically while significant incidents are locked to prevent accidental overwriting. It also comes with a generous memory card and the necessary adapters in the box, so most owners can complete the installation and start recording without buying extra accessories.